Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. After a long time, I'm finally back. As my pre-boards were going on and it's difficult for me to manage editing and studying at the same time. But finally, the first pre-board is over and I'm here to share my experience and mistakes made in this pre-board exam. Let's dive right in. So, starting with accounts. Accounts was pretty okay. The MCQs were neither too easy nor too difficult. Some questions required a lot of dimag but managed to do some of them. The 3 marker as well as the 4 and 6 marker were pretty much same as the half yearly exams and same as half yearly. I was not able to do that fully. There was only one question on of cash flow and even that was partially printed. Basically, it was a printing mistake, but my teacher wrote the rest of the part on the board. However, there was already many unattended questions, so I didn't even try that.
मुझे बहुत पढ़ना पड़ेगा अभी।
Moving on to BST, the paper looked easy at first, but when I started attempting it, bhai, I really got confused. Most of the questions were identification based, and I was like, सारे points तो correct लग रहे हैं, so what's the correct answer? So this also went not as expected. Economics was a bit tricky, especially the MCQs. Some long questions were also challenging, and bhai, what's this picture saying? Literally nothing is visible in this, just a crowd moving. Only the case based questions and numericals were the easiest. So, summarizing it, economics pre board exam was better than half yearly. English and marketing were also pretty good, and so was Python. Now it's just a waiting game for the results. And let me tell you that my second pre board exams are starting from 4th Jan, and the results for the first pre board will be out on January 3rd.
I'm so scared, भाई. What will happen?
So that's it for the review part. Please tell me in the comments how's your pre board went and what mistakes you did, which one shouldn't. And also telling you the to-do list you should tick off before every exam. In accounts, do revise all the formulas of ratios and cash flow तो बहुत अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस करके जाना, वरना बहुत कन्फ्यूजन होने वाली है क्वेश्चन करने के टाइम. बाकी वर्क ऑन योर स्पीड एज वेल इन केस पेपर छूट जाता है तो. एंड इकोनॉमिक्स इंडियन इको में हर एक पॉइंट प्लीज़ बार बार रिवाइज करके जाना, वरना सिर्फ पढ़कर जाओगे तो यू विल फाइंड प्रॉब्लम इन रिकॉलिंग इट. एंड इन BST भाई उसमें तो एक एक फीचर इम्पॉर्टेंस बस रट के मत जाना बट समझ के जाना, बिकॉज मैंने बहुत प्रॉब्लम फेस किया आइडेंटिफिकेशन वाले क्वेश्चन में. एंड वन मोर थिंग, प्लीज़ अगर टाइम बचे पेपर करने के बाद तो पेपर रिवाइज ज़रूर कर लेना. यू नो वॉट, इन इकोनॉमिक्स एग्ज़ाम एट रीडिंग टाइम आई सॉ दिस क्वेश्चन and in case I don't forget this answer, I wrote all the 4 points on the paper itself, which is not allowed, but still I did because examiner was a bit lenient. But while attempting, me being dumb only wrote 3 points.
Yes, that's just me.
एंड पेपर ख़त्म होने के बाद हार्डली 5 मिनट बाकी थे तो उसमें आई डिड रिवाइज माई पेपर एंड आई फाउंड इट. पहले मैं सोची लिख लूँ 4th पॉइंट लास्ट पेज में, बट टाइम वॉज ओवर सो आई डिडेंट रोट एंड लेफ्ट एज इट इज़. सो फाइनली आज के लिए इतना ही.
आपकी तरह मैं भी मायूस हूँ, लेकिन उम्मीद पर दुनिया कायम है. दिल दुखा है लेकिन टूटा तो नहीं है, और उम्मीद का दामन छूटा तो नहीं है. अभी एक प्री बोर्ड बेकार गया है तो क्या हुआ, दूसरा प्री बोर्ड अभी बीता नहीं है.
So that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. Let me know in the comments how you found it. Please like and subscribe for more such videos. I'll be coming with more study vlogs, so subscribe करना मत भूलना. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you all in the next one.